1, 2, 3, 4.
Welcome back again for another Epcot day. We weren't really going to be here today. Our plan was to go to Magic Kingdom, but got up this morning, checked the app. Tron was 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And it was bonkers, all the wait times. It's very busy around all the parks, and the least busiest looked like it would be Epcot for today. I didn't even look at Animal Kingdom. I wonder how they're doing over there.
Yeah.
But other than that, we're gonna be here. We got some friends coming. We got a friend coming to hang out with us.
Yeah.
For a while, we're just gonna hang out and enjoy Epcot.
And let me tell you, I'm so sad that we had to come back to Epcot.
Yeah. Yeah, you could tell. Anyways, but other than that, we're gonna probably maybe jump over to Hollywood Studios, do something, just have some fun. We'll see what happens for today. Just hopefully you guys want to come along with us, hang out. So let's go. It's very windy, but you know, I'd take this any day.
Yes.
It is. If it was still right now, it'd be miserable.
Because it was still for a minute and I was hot.
Yeah. So
believe it or not, we skipped this one yesterday, and I've been thinking about it since we left.
Yeah.
Because I saw, not for the food looks good, but I saw people have this drink there, and it has like a chamoy strip on the cup.
it did look good, yeah.
And I've been unable to stop thinking about it. So
Yeah, I kind of regretted one of the reasons why we came back to was for that. So I'm going to go try that, the Mexico booth
and they
for
have
the
some
festival.
good food too.
Yeah. So looks like it's gonna be another day eating and just enjoying Epcot. That's what Epcot's all about. It's all about
Yes.
eating and just hanging out, pretty much.
And enjoying the park and the atmosphere and your company.
Yeah. Adriana earlier said I looked a little down. It's because I thought about I have to leave here soon. And I'm in a bad mood that I gotta leave here soon. But yeah, I'm gonna make the most of today. Make sure that it's really windy. Make sure this doesn't fly over. What was that?
This is their elderberry margarita.
Okay.
It's like a floral. I feel like I got gypped on my strip. Yesterday I saw it like all the way down the cup. But it's okay. Let's try it.
It really is. Probably one of the windiest days I've ever had here at
Oh yeah. That's really good. It's very flowery, floral,
Floral.
but like fresh. So that's really good. What are we doing? Out of 7 today?
Out of 5.
Okay, out of 5. I would give it like a 3 out of 5.
3 out of 5? Okay.
Yeah.
Just wasn't.
Like, it's just not my goat. Like, I'm not like a floral drink person, but it's like fresh, so
Okay.
it's not bad.
Cool.
Not bad.
Like, here's an example to show you how windy it is. Those palm trees are swaying like crazy right now. Yeah, and this plate's about to fly off, so let me dig in. Seagulls everywhere. So these are the chilaquile with carne. Looks very good. It's actually a really good size portion.
It is. It looks good.
This is really good.
It does look really
It
good.
tastes like an enchilada.
I was gonna say it looks like an enchilada.
like a beef enchilada is what it tastes like. It was really good. Notice like yesterday when we were here, the portion sizes this year for Flower and Garden pretty decent.
They are.
Yeah. So besides your Ozempic
Oh, corn. Yeah.
corn on the cob, but the other stuff like the actual food items been really good size. I feel like you can have this as like an actual meal.
Yeah,
This
it does.
is really
It looks
good.
really good and really filling.
A lot of flavor, a lot of meat on there. So a lot of cheese and that sauce, that red sauce they put on there.
It looks so
Really
good.
It tastes very authentic too. So I'm gonna give it like a 4 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5, honestly.
Nice.
Yeah. So I had the floral margarita. It's very watered down. I see what you're saying. It doesn't really taste like an actual margarita. So how'd you like that? It was
This,
good,
on
right?
the other hand, is
It's
really
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would get this again. Ooh, and there's
Yeah.
like caramelized onions on top, or grilled onion, and the meat is good. I like how it's like it's not ground beef. It's like a fajita mix.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That makes it, I feel like, more. I don't want to say luxury, but you know, I don't know. Authentic, I guess.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good.
It's a really good portion.
Yeah, I would get this again.
A little bit of food on the ground. It got so windy, it blew the plate over and I had to grab it with my hand. I got my hand dirty. It's that windy. It's that serious today. Oh, we're gonna go around to, where are we going next?
That way.
Okay, we're doing Canada the wrong way. We're going Canada first.
What?
We were thinking about this one yesterday. The beignet from France. We just got it just a while ago.
That looks incredible.
It looks more like a donut, but
It does.
or like a what do you call those things? A honey bun. That's what I was calling.
Honey bun, yeah.
It looks like a honey
does.
bun.
It does.
Gosh, that took forever to no, but it's not like your traditional
Beignet.
beignet.
You were right. It tastes just like the honey buns.
See?
And odd, it's cold.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's something in there's cold. Oh, and there's a filler.
Ah. We
Yeah.
didn't look at the description
Not a
too well. I just heard beignet and I got in
I saw
line.
beignet, cinnamon glaze. I said, count me in.
Yeah.
Check, check.
It is cinnamon glaze. I don't think we specified that.
It's filled.
I think they just bought honey buns and sold them. I heard
It does. It literally tastes like a honey bun.
it's an $8 honey
A
bun,
very expensive honey bun.
but
And it is soft. I will say it's very.
it is very soft. It's good though.
It's like refreshing. I don't like the filling.
The filling's good. I like it.
I don't like.
If you like sweets and stuff like that,
Yeah,
you'll like it.
Like filling. I don't like filling in eggs. I don't like that like consistency. That's not as much as it tastes bad. I just don't. I'm not a fan of filled like Danishes. But yeah, I would say like 3 or 4 out of 5.
I just thought too right now. I think I messed up. I should have ate the ceviche first, but I didn't see until we were in line waiting for this. Should have waited to eat that and then ate the sweet pastry, the beignet, because now I feel like it's not gonna taste as good. I don't know.
I think it'll still be good.
Still be good, but I
Maybe
should.
just wash it down with like some water.
Yeah, I'm definitely have to drink some before I
It is.
have that.
I will say it is extremely sweet, like extra sweet.
Sugar overload, my favorite. Let's go over there. My most anticipated thing, my favorite. If I could, I could move to Jamaica and I could eat this for the rest of my life.
We can move to Jamaica. We can make that happen.
And I love jerk chicken, so I'm very, very biased with you guys. If it's bad, I'm probably gonna tell you it's good because I love jerk chicken. But
It does look really good though.
it does, it really is. Pretty good size too. It's like a whole chicken leg. And the rice, the plantains too. Plantains. But yeah, I'm gonna dig in off camera. I'm just gonna tell you it's good. Also too, this is very, very spicy. You can tell by my voice. Wow. Also too, shout out to the cast member. Got a free water. So love our cast members.
Sorry, I had a weird taste. No chicken.
No
It
chicken.
is good though.
It's very spicy.
It's very. I think I got like a bone. It's good. It is spicy.
Yeah, maybe that's why they gave me a free water, because they knew exactly how
I'm
spicy it was
shocked
gonna
how
be.
spicy that is.
I did not.
Little plantains.
I did not expect that to be that spicy. They're very good. They're sweet, very sweet. I like it. I typically wait until I'm done eating everything, and then I eat the plantains last. Kind of like a little sweet treat thing. The way I do it.
Man, that chicken is really good.
It is.
We're going to Morocco.
Why?
They have a Moroccan wrap.
That sounds good.
I think it's. So I don't know. I feel like it's the same wrap that we had at Morocco last week. Because they also have the stone-baked Moroccan bread.
It does sound like what you had last week.
Yeah,
But it says it's new on there?
Because
Either way, if it's new or not,
Cucumber relish, garlic sauce.
it does sound really good. That cucumber relish, where you did whatever you just said, that sounds good. So, off to Morocco. All right, we got what kind of bread was this? The Moroccan bread?
Yeah, Moroccan.
And it comes with stone bread. There you go. It's very doughy, very crisp on the bottom too. Big piece of bread, and it's very hot. It's fresh. You get 3 dips with it. So I'm not sure what the dips were. Do you remember what the dips were?
No, but I can tell you.
Okay, so this one was like a basil type of olive oil sauce. It's very oily, but it's very good. That one's really good too. So it kind of tastes like a tomatoey,
Yeah.
but it's very good, and it has like a smoky taste to both of these. I'm tasting. I'm not a hummus fan, so
I'm not a hummus fan either.
but I won't try it. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try
Guess
it.
what it tastes like. Here we're gonna guess.
Mashed potatoes. They look like
Peanut butter.
Oh yeah, never mind. Ooh, no. I like peanut butter, but not like that. No. Okay, I think I made a good decision with this one. The bread is a must-get whenever you guys come. The sauces were excellent. I'm like devouring this right now, the green one. And what do you say about your wrap?
It's really good. It's so good. But also, fun fact, this is not festival like only food. This is here all the time.
Yeah.
So.
That must. But we don't come to Morocco a lot.
Yeah. Like
So.
we just came to Morocco like for the first time like
A couple weeks ago.
a couple weeks ago, and it was so good. And I had told him like, dang, we should have got this bread, and this bread is incredible. It's like gonna be a new staple for us, I think.
Yeah, that bread up. It's definitely gonna hit harder, especially when it gets colder, like later in the year. Obviously at the end of the year when it's cold, that bread would go really well with like cool weather.
Yeah, and same with the wrap. Like it's like a cooling, refreshing wrap. And how I was saying earlier, like it's not super like filling. Like it's like
It's
a
light.
clean. Yeah, it's a light. So like you're still filled, but you don't feel like sluggish.
And I don't know if I've already like stated this. This is all like very clean. Like I feel very
Mediterranean.
very fresh food. So you don't feel like mush afterwards. You just feel
It's not like fried.
you
grease.
feel yeah, it's very good. So definitely highly recommend.
Yeah, Morocco is a top. Morocco is a top stop.
There you go. All right, off to the next. I think I'm gonna get a beer in Germany. Of course, Adriana stops in Italy, but feel the raindrops. It does not look good over there. It is about to come down. You can tell the wind's picking up. So we're gonna get our drinks and hide for cover. Do you feel the raindrops?
Cheers, yeah.
Nothing makes a rainy day at Epcot better with a drink in hand. So I'm gonna go get mine. One thing I don't, kind of good right now. I don't hear any thunder, so that's a good sign.
Yeah.
So I could do with sprinkle. I could do with sprinkling on me all day, but thunder.
Compared to last night.
Yeah, last night was horrible. Like my socks were like filled with water, but it was cool. We got to see Zed. That was a really cool vlog. Well, I didn't get to vlog it because it was just so bad, the rain.
Yeah.
Like I could not keep my hands free. My umbrella broke. It was a disaster.
We just took the L and we just got wet.
Yeah, it was fun though. It really was.
It was, yeah.
So I was like, hey, I just threw the umbrella down while we were in the crowd. It's like, hey, the heck with it.
Yeah.
We're gonna get wet. It'll be worth it.
Why did you say something?
I misspoke. There was lightning and thunder right there. Oh, womp womp womp. Crap.
Those look like the trees from Harry Potter. To the left.
Those?
Yeah. The tree that comes alive, the one that it goes in the car, like a skinny, small version of it.
It does? I guess it kind of does. Yeah. All right. I always stop right here. It's like I always forget the name of it. It's like their lightest beer they have, but it's very good. It's very refreshing. I don't feel bloated and full afterwards. So, how was yours? Always good.
So good, yeah.
You want a $140 Santa? No. We're all waiting inside here. It started to pour down. I thought I ruined my camera for a second. It was that bad. We're doing. I was getting the beer and just the bottom fell out. She ran in here. It's like Christmas. What is this? It's like a Christmas store, a year-round one, and we just hunkered down, brought our drinks in here. So we're just waiting to go back out there, but it does not look like it's. If you want to show them the radar, it is look very bad. It is bad. There's a cold front blowing in tomorrow, or today. So it's gonna be like in the 30s tomorrow. It's crazy. Alright. You don't know where that's from.
Frozen?
No, that was from Drake and Josh.
Oh.
But anyways, diddly-doo. You don't know what that's a little for those that know. But anyways, we just walked out of there.
Is it raining?
Sun's out. No, it's not raining. So
Sun's out, guns out.
sun's out, buns out, guns out, whatever. We're gonna try to see what's going on. This would be like really cool if they had outdoor attractions because all the wait times would drop.
Yeah.
And you could run on over there, but well, they're making a TikTok.
Yeah.
But yeah, over here, you're just the line just gets longer when it rains in Epcot because everything's inside. So let's just keep making our way around. Emote. If you know, you know. Adriana obviously doesn't know.
Yeah, I do.
She doesn't know. Where's it from?
Wrong park. Wrong park. That's all I gotta say.
Now I could lighten the mood out here if you had the mariachis out here.
It'd be like the Titanic.
Ship's going down with the mariachis. I want to go see my amigos.
It just rained.
And we're gonna go see if the Grand Fiesta Tour is a low wait time. You know, they make apps for this, but you know, we're just gonna take the detour and go check it out. You guys get on something today. Alright, we're going on. Looks like it's a walk-on. Let's go. I'm excited for this. We still haven't yet to try that restaurant. We got to say in Spanish, muy
Bueno. Should I get a margarita after this? C or C?
Yes. Trivia. Who are the three caballeros? What's their names?
Donald. Goofy.
God, no.
Donald, Daisy.
No.
I don't know. Donald.
You got one right.
I know.
Panchito.
Oh.
And Jose. I call him Jose Cuervo, but it's not. It's Jose.
Hard guess.
Yeah. She had a cheat sheet right there, and she still didn't. Look, Adriana.
Yeah.
Right there.
I know, but I can't see. Tell me what it says.
Wave like a princess.
Whoa.
No one's waving. They're all enjoying their fine dining.
Read this from away.
Nah, she's locked in on that salsa.
The food must be good.
What did the penguins say from Madagascar? Wave and smile, boys.
Oh, yeah.
Wave and smile. Panchito. I never noticed them. They move up there. I never really mariachi band. I always thought they were stationary. The Disney Day is not complete without a crisp Diet Coke. What's that thing y'all do? Without dropping it?
I know. Oh yeah, clock it.
That's probably going to be today's video, guys. We're going to call it a day just because we have some more weather coming on in. A whole nother batch of cold fronts is blowing on in. It looks like to be raining all day until the park closes, so we're just going to call it here. So thank you for hanging out with us today. It probably was just a little bit everywhere. It wasn't a whole bunch, but still did mostly what we wanted to do. So we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
I think it'll be in Universal next month. They were going to do a ride challenge. We'll see.